Welcome to Web API Tutorials. I am Venkat. In the previous video, we have created role retrieval endpoints, role get all roles and get role by ID, get role by name. In this video, let us create role update endpoint. These are the endpoints we have written, and let us add the update endpoint. Public action result of API response update role. For this, role DTO required, and that's the DTO. Let us do the try catch. Let us add the try catch. Let me copy the catch block. That's the catch block. And let's implement the method now. If DTO equal to null, DTO dot ID less than or equal to 0, because update will happen based on the ID. Okay, we need to first get the role based on ID, then we need to update. That's why ID is mandatory. So return bad request. After that, role repository dot get async by ID. Role tends to role dot ID equal to DTO dot ID. Okay, we need to save this in a variable. It's a existing role, and here we need to validate. If existing role equal to null, return bad request of $, role not found with ID, DTO.ID to update, right? ID should be valid. Okay, that's a validation. And now we need to create the new record with the DTO, where new role equal to underscore mapper dot map of role from DTO. So we have created the role from DTO. Await underscore role repository dot update async new role. If we need to create new role and update it, so we should use no tracking, right? So for that, here we need to use true. So this method supports use no tracking. So we need to get that use no tracking. So we can update the existing record with the new record. Okay. Now API response dot status equal to true, and API response dot status code equal to OK, and underscore API response dot data equal to new role, and return OK of API response. Okay, all done. Why we are getting this? Okay, we have used await, and the method return type should be task. Task. Okay, the error is gone. All good. And here in the top we need to add HTTP put. Put is for update, right? And what is the route? Update. Update is the route. Okay, let's run this. Let's retrieve all first. Okay, we got 2 records. Let's take one and update, try it out. And this is the record I want to update. So I want to make it a description admin new. And I want to make it admin new. Execute it. So we got the status true, status 200, ID 1, and role name and description modified. Let's go to the get all roles, execute. Now we can see the new role name and description. Let's roll it back. If you want, we can see it in the database also. Execute. You can see admin new, admin new. Let me roll it back to admin, admin. Execute. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Why? Get returned null. Okay. What is the ID we got? ID is 1. Okay, ID is 1, admin new. What is the issue here? Let us debug this. Okay, let me execute it again. We got the DTO, ID 1 is active true, role name is admin, description is admin, correct. Okay, let us debug this. Go next line, all good. What is it? ID 373. Okay, because this one is a async method, we should put await here. That's the error I can say. Await. Let me rerun this. Let's go to database and check it. It is still admin new, admin new. Get all. Let's copy this. Let's go to update, try it out. Update, remove this new, remove this new. I want to set it back. Now let's go next, 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 next. This time we can see ID 1 is active true. Okay, this time we got it. Because we did not put the await, so it returned the task ID, not the role ID. Okay, so asynchronous task ID. When we put await, it resolves the asynchronous completely and it will give us the response. Now it will work. Go next, next, next. It worked. Okay, let's remove the breakpoint, go continue, and we can see 200 response, admin, admin. Let's go top and run it again, get all roles, and it is admin, admin now. Let's go to DB and see. Let's refresh this. Okay, it is updated back to admin, admin. This is the update endpoint. So we did not add the response types. Let us add the response types to all the other endpoints. So here not found also possible. 404 not found. Not found or bad request we are returning. Not found is there. Okay, not found is also possible. Here also not found possible, and this one is fine. Okay, right. So we have done creating the update endpoint and it is working fine. In the next video, let us create the delete endpoint. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.